All right, everyone, I'm here with Hunian and his new 2025 Kenworth W900. And first thing is we've got the JW Speaker EVO-X headlights on there. And I don't want you guys to take my word on whether they're good or not. I figured we'd go right to the horse's mouth and kind of ask, tell us about your truck, tell us about your experience driving with the truck with these headlights, and just let everyone know what you think.
This is my new to me 2025 W900. I just picked it up last week. The truck originally had the version 1s of the JWs, which were all right. They were decent. We have a light bar down there that I found myself using way too much. So I reached out to Dustin and I said, we have to do something about this. This is terrible. I can't run that light bar everywhere. So Dustin had this solution. We threw these in and my gosh, they are insane. First of all, the width, the ditch lighting is crazy. Before, you'd go down the road and you couldn't see anything on the left and right side of the hood. You'd kind of just have forward light, but now it's just insane. High beams and low beams on. I'm actually going to be ripping that light bar out and throwing it in the garbage where it belongs because there's no need for it. It looks ugly, and I'm so happy with these lights. Hopefully we don't need to put a Bambi basher on this thing, and these lights should help protect this hood.
Yeah, absolutely beautiful truck and great build. Love to see it. We got our smoked glass lenses on there too, hint, hint, right? So anyhow, guys, let me know in the comments here what you think about this, and we look forward to seeing a little more of your truck.
Thank you.
All right.